In terms of the trial itself right now, one thing that is surprising to some people is that he has shown up. Are you surprised by that? Would you have advised him to show up given the conditions under which this trial is taking place?
I think it's wise for him to show up. The question is, should he take the stand? It's not going to influence the outcome of the case. The judge has already made up his mind, already gave summary judgment based on some statements about the value of property, particularly Mar-a-Lago. So his testimony won't help him. On the other hand, if he does testify, it might be a perjury trap. And if he says anything that Letitia James or Alvin Bragg think is not true, they can then up the stakes and go after him for perjury. So it's very possible he will sit there and growl and let his views be known through his facial gestures, but that he may not take the stand. He would have to plead the fifth in order not to take the stand if he's called by the prosecution. He can plead the fifth. He can say, I refuse to answer these questions in a civil case because they may incriminate me in a potential criminal case. He can say that, and that can't be used against him in the criminal case, but it can be used against him in the civil case. So there are reasons for not taking the Fifth Amendment. There are reasons for taking the Fifth Amendment. He may have to make the decision himself whether to take the stand because the prosecution may or may not call him. If they don't call him, then it's his decision to take the stand. And if he takes the stand, he essentially waives his Fifth Amendment privilege.